Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to delete a theme in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here of your website, where in the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can enter, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on for managing your website. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to delete a theme we are no longer using and we don't want to use. Basically guys, what we're looking for is right here at the left side of the screen. You want to go ahead and find appearance. After putting your mouse on appearance, it's going to open up this new drop down menu where one of the options is going to be called themes. So let's go ahead and open up themes. Now this is going to open up this menu where we can go and take a look at all the themes we can use for our website, and at the top of the screen is going to be a search bar that we can use for finding our theme. So let's say you are currently using this theme, as you can see right here. What we want to do guys, if we want to go ahead and install some different theme, or if we maybe just want to select a different theme, we do not want to use this one anymore and we want to delete it. Basically guys, you're going to just go ahead and select the different theme. So there is no way to delete a theme because they are all implemented into your website. What you want to do if you no longer want your website to be using that theme and you no longer want anybody to be seeing that theme is just select a different theme and select how you want a different theme to look and put it as your main theme, and this is how your website is now going to look and your previous theme is no longer going to be accessible. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.